How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a simple guide to find your saved videos. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So let's start by opening up YouTube. And there are certain kind of saved videos such as watch laters, like videos, etc. So if we really want to view it, what we need to do is in the bottom right corner of our screen, we can find an option called view that we can tap on. And once we tap on it, that should open up the space right here. Now here, if we want to find our saved videos, when we scroll down here, we'll be finding playlist that we can click on. One of them, tap on it. And playlist is something that we can look out for if we have saved videos here. We also have a watch later section. So when we tap on watch later, we'll be finding the videos that we have saved to watch later. This is one of the method that we can view it up. Otherwise, even if we have created playlists, this will be available like this. We can just go and open up the video that in which playlist that we have saved the video for, and once we open it up, we should be able to see the video. Apart from that, if we want to look out for our liked videos, we also have a liked video section. So go ahead and look out for the liked video section here and tap on it. And when we do, we'll be finding the videos that we have liked. And we can just go over and click on it in order to view it. Also, if we have downloaded the videos, we can find this option called downloads that we can tap on. And there also we can find the video that we have downloaded or let's say saved. And that's it. Usually checking our playlist library itself is one of the methods that we can use in order to see our saved videos. We can look out for the search bar in the top and type the part of the video title if you remember the name, but not where you saved it, and that way also we can view it. But usually this is how we should be able to see our videos that we have saved on YouTube. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.